All right, guys, I got the floor transmission tunnel finished, and I used the roof for a mold to build the headliner. I got it right there. So stick around, I'll show you some of what I've done there. So I got the transmission tunnel fiberglassed in. So I got 3 layers of this thick 1.5 mat. So it should be about 3/16 of an inch thick. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I cut 4 pieces to fit over the whole thing. So it's got a seam there where they come together there. So actually there, and there is like 6 layers thick because I got them overlapped. So it should be really strong. We're fixing to pull the body off. I got the body, everything, all the bolts out, everything. I'm fixing to set the body off behind the car there so I can lay it on the side, fiberglass the underside. So we're about to find out if we can pick it up by hand, me and my son, or we're gonna have to get the tractor to pick it up. We're gonna find out in just a minute. Got her done. Wasn't too bad. Me and a boy of mine picked it up, set it over there, laid it on the side. Now I gotta pull that aluminum out of the tunnel. Then all these edges, all the floor seams, edges, gotta be fiberglass from the underside. All this, everything. So that'll be a couple days doing that. And then when I get that done, I can set it back on and go ahead and build the car. And then take the body back off and get the transmission built, drive line, engine running, all that ready to go. Then set the body back on, put it back together, should be done. Yeah, easy peasy. We'll have it next year maybe. So I had just riveted in a couple spots. I ground out all the rivets on this side. And I'm hoping since I put wax paper before I put fiberglass, it'll come off of there really easy. Hopefully. Like that. Another couple rivets. Looks good. Strong too. It's gonna be great. With this 20-cent grit right there. Like that all the way down. I can fiberglass that all the way back all the way around this side. And this is still a little sticky because I just done it yesterday, so I'm gonna let this cure. So I got to actually do one side at a time. I'm gonna do that. Do this today, let that cure, flip it over, do this side tomorrow, and maybe tomorrow I can do this too. I don't know yet, but I got all this wax paper I'll start with, so that's gonna be fun. All right, let me get at it. Okay, got it fiberglassed in. Put a coat of black paint on it. So, hey, it's good and strong. It's a good strong fiberglass car now, for sure. Hey, it ain't perfect, but it's close enough to perfect for me. Got the fiberglass solid all the way around. Yeah, that'll work. It's gonna be great. Now that I got the transtone floor done, I flipped it back up straight, and I'm getting ready to fiberglass. I'm lay some fiberglass cloth on the roof that I'm going to take off and cut in 3 or 4 pieces and use it to do the headliner panels, inside panels on the car. So I got all the drip edges taped off where stuff won't drip on the car, and I'm putting wax paper right now, you know, so it won't stick to the roof. Yeah, we'll put 2 layers of that thick cloth. I used 3 on the transtone, made it really strong. 2 will be probably maybe a little too much, probably just right. I'm gonna use 2 layers on the roof. Yeah, wax paper, keep them sticking. It worked on the tongue, it should work here. And of course I used a piece of cardboard to box in the rear window, because when I do the inside panel, I mean, it's gonna drop down probably that much, so the window wouldn't work. I'm gonna have to recut the window out of the panel, so I put a piece of cardboard across it so I could just lay fiberglass. So it won't be, this piece won't have no window in it. I had to cut it out when I get it on the inside and find out where I need to cut it. So yeah, that. Well, there it is. 2 layers of 1.5 matte fiberglass. And a lot of resin. I don't know, probably took about 3 quarts, probably, something like that. Took a lot of resin. It's kind of wavy around that back glass. Of course, I got to cut some of that out, so I might have to work on that a little bit, but it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be great. So tomorrow it should be set up. I can see if I can pop it off of there. Hopefully it'll pop right off. If not, then we have a problem. Should be all right. Okay, next day. It's hard as a rock. Now the trick is to get it off. Yeah. Hopefully I can maybe get it broken loose here somewhere and get some air under it. See if that helps. So yeah, let me see if I can get it off, see what it looks like. Okay, what I'm gonna try to do is get this piece up here and get the air up under it. Blow some air on it, see if that'll help. See if I can get a start here. Looks like it's gonna come off. See if air helps. come off. This ain't all yet. I helped cut some of that off. So I'm getting it, I ain't got it yet. There it is. Right there. Good headliner. See what it looks like on the other side. Yeah, that'll work. You know, of course it's too big. I'm going to cut it in pieces to make it work, but get all this wax paper out. Wire wheel. I found that a wire wheel get that off really quick. It's gonna be great. Gonna be great. Yeah, marvelous. Absolutely marvelous. Gonna make a really good headliner, interior panels. I can see it already. Now I gotta get all this plastic tape. The good news is none of the fiberglass leaked through, so my roof is still same condition, so just get all the tape off of it. You guys see why I done the roof now. I had to take the body off to flip it upside down, the fiberglass on the side of the floor. So I figured it was a good time while I was sitting on the floor, I could reach the top a lot better to do my headliner, use the top for a mold for the headliner. So yeah, I got that done. So next thing is probably gonna be put the body back on the car and start continuing inside, mount the seats, put all the metal framing structure back inside the car, brake master, pedal, steering column, dash, seats, interior, the whole 9 yards. Still got to do the trunk lid, hinges, latch, fix this piece back here. So yeah, I got a lot of work to do, lots of work. So, but that's probably what's gonna happen next. Body back on the frame and finish building the car. And eventually the body's gonna have to come back off to get the frame finished, welded up, complete, and paint. Then I should be able to put it back together for the final time. So, hey, sound like a breeze, huh? All right, we're getting it. We just ain't got it yet. Appreciate you. See you next time.